the time limit had passed. The seller received the full payment for the jeans. I get to keep the jeans, yay, with no buttonhole and something that I cannot wear. Ciao my friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a unpackaging, but I will be honest, I already opened this a while ago just to see what they looked like, and they are very, very beautiful. But there is a big but here. I'm going to put this video in the series of buyer beware, because although this is actually a pair of jeans that I bought from the DHGate website, and online I will insert some pictures here of what the jeans were photoed like and the reason why I purchased them. And the seller too has like a positive feedback of 99 point something percent as positive feedback. My friends, I don't know how that can exist on the platform there or on this seller's page, because these jeans have been in dispute with the seller and DHGate because there is a huge problem in the manufacturing of the jeans. Although they look very beautiful, and I will get to it right now, there is a big description about it. So they are like this, and they really, when you see them, are very, very beautiful, my friends. I am very sad. So this is the jeans. They have like little bits of white. I thought it was sparkles at first from the website, but it's not. It's like white pieces of paint on it, and they are very nice. And this here is the leg part. You will see in the pictures of what it really looks like. So these are all the leg. It's coming in like embroidered lace. They are very, very nice. I don't have anything. I wish the style, okay, the style, I'm going to rephrase it. The style is very, very beautiful, okay? And the back of them is like this. I ordered a very big size, thinking that, you know, the people in that country are very, very tiny, and I ordered a very, very big size to fit me. But the size is a little bit too big, although I can wear them, and I don't know what to do with them, but I can put them on and they fit just a little bit big, but it's better to be bigger than smaller. You get my point. But anyway, my friends, the problem with these jeans, when I tried them on, I zippered them. The zipper is not 100% either. It has a little crook, so when you zipper it, you can get by it and close it, and it will be okay. But the button is here, but the buttonhole is not. You can see that it's stitched, but the hole is not open. And even the buttonhole should not look like this. So this is a problem. You just wear them like this, but I will also insert photos of the lady that had them on as a model. Her button is closed, okay? So I cannot wear them with the buttonhole closed. What's this? What is this? Anyway, my friends, I was really upset with them because I started a dispute. Actually, I contacted the seller on many occasions first. The only message that I would receive from her was something like an automated reply, and there was no way to resolve this issue. So I opened a dispute with DHGate. She did, or he did, whoever this person is, got the message that there was a dispute opened about the product, and they messaged me back and asked me if I would change the reason for the dispute would be that the shipping had caused some issues with the jeans, and asked me to change that notification in there, and she would agree to refunding me in full, but I also had to return the jeans. Okay, even that was fine. But when I contacted Canada Post about shipping the jeans, and they said that it would cost anywhere between $150 and $200 to return them back to China, was this seller going to refund me the full shipment fees? I asked the seller on many occasions. Once the seller sent me an address, and before that happened, I agreed to changing the discrepancy, that I would get a full refund. But I didn't agree of paying $150 to return the jeans back to China and not be refunded, my friend. I will put the price of the jeans up here, okay, so that you will understand. But I can't pay double, triple the price for shipping back to China. And the dispute said that if I didn't ship them back to China within 7 days, that the seller would win in the case and receive all of the payment, and I wouldn't get any refund or any chance of disputing it or anything. I contacted the seller every day, asking the seller if she agreed to paying me back the money in shipping. I'm a little bit worried that the refund or the amount that they would pay would be like $3 or $4 in the shipping, just 1%, and I'm out the price of the jeans and also the shipping. But anyway, my friends, trying to make this story a little short, this is the reason why you must be very, very careful about shopping on these websites. Contact the seller first, because I will also put all of her list of rules on her webpage that said if there was a problem with the product, contact her first, not to give her a bad review, because she would be very happy to resolve the issue so she didn't get any negative feedback. That was definitely not the case for me. So I don't know where to go from here. I'm just posting this review in the buyer beware, because this is the chances that you take when you buy things from the gate and the customer service is not the best. Although it doesn't happen often, it can happen. So my friends, just so you know, I don't know how to fix the jeans. I don't know what to do with them. If you see me wearing them, you can be sure the button is not working. So my friends, I will see you again tomorrow with another maybe unboxing or unpackaging, depends on whether it comes in a box or a package, and I will see you again tomorrow. So ciao my friends, have a great day, and I love you all. Please don't forget to like my video, follow my video, favorites my video, share my video, because I appreciate all of you and helping my channel grow. Ciao everyone, bye.